The map led the man to a house. The map led the man to a house. Say it with me. The map led the man to the house. How many words? 8 words. Okay, the first word is the.
Oh my gosh, hopefully our next
The map
Which side? This one or that one?
Get your writing. Here you go, John. Meet
I did the map.
map.
You have to dig
You're
that.
sitting at table
The first one.
Amaya. The writing in your folder. The writing that you published.
Map.
No, John and Anderson. The writing from
The
the folder
map.
that you're publishing.
Led. Led. Ed. Led.
Friends,
No
when
one
I
else.
say get your writing from your folder, look at what John is doing right now. That's what that should look like, okay? Okay, and then John, you're going to say Anderson.
Led. The map.
T-R. You're
Led.
Christopher.
The
Sit at
man.
table 3. Get
The man.
T-R.
The man
That's so polite, man. You want to go first?
to
Ryan, you're so good.
the man to Macy, I think I'm in the wrong spot. The man, the map led the man
Wait a minute, where do you leave? Tiana?
Macy, the map led the man to
House.
house. House.
That's how you spell house. H-O-M-E.
May I have red, please?
I have red again. You love it.
There's yellow. Okay. So let's take this together. The. How do we start a sentence? Always with an uppercase. Right. So if yours is not an uppercase, please fix it. The man. And. Remember it was an and word? The man. Whoops. The map is an app word. The map. Now let's do lead. Ooh. Right? Tell me what's the next letter. The map. E. Good. Ooh. Ed. Nope, one E. The map led. You know the
Uppercase.
man.
Wait, lowercase or uppercase again?
Are we in the sentence? Are we in the middle of a sentence? Is that the name of a person? No, so should it be upper or lower? Lower. The map led the man to a. You only have to fix the letters that are wrong, honey. You don't have to go with the whole thing. To a house. Now let's do house, because house is kind of hard.
I already did.
How am I spelling house? What's the first letter?
H.
Oh. U-S-E.
I spelled home.
House. You spelled home, that's right. But we wanted house. And what goes at the end? What's at the end of the sentence when we're at the end of the period?
I'm already there.
Okay, so I want you to fix tomorrow. On Monday.
Monday.
Okay. Fix this. Look at this word here. Look at my word here. What's there? That shouldn't be there.
That's 2. 1, 2.
Cross off that. Oh. Because this word only has, this is like to give to somebody. This is like when you want something to. Okay, it's a different word. Okay. The man led the man, I keep saying it wrong, led the man to a house. Period. Good job. All right. You are all set.
Almost done.
Let me get yours.
Stickers.
You know what? It's Friday, so instead of a sticker, you know what I'm going to do?
What?
You guys earned dojos this week.
Yay!
So, I am going to give you guys all a Soaring Eagle dojo for a wonderful reading group week.